Hey everyone, I just wanted to take this moment and say thank you, truly from the bottom of my heart. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, and honestly, I'm really still taking that all in. And it all happened over my birthday week this past week, and I know my family had a really big part of that final push, getting it to 1,000 subscribers. Now, when I first started this channel, I really didn't want to be on camera. If you look at some of my earlier videos, it was just my voice and my camera was off. I am a teacher at heart. I'm a developer by trade, definitely not an influencer. So putting myself out there like this was way outside of my comfort zone. But I knew I had a passion for teaching and a passion for coding. And this platform allowed me to fill both of those jars by helping others learn. So I think over the past year, I published more than 200 videos. Some were short, some were long, some were great, and some probably I would love to redo. But every single one was made with the goal in mind to break things down, go step by step, so that anyone, regardless of your background, you can understand and start building. So whether you're a total beginner or a returning learner or just someone curious about tech, I see you. This channel was made for you. Now, to everyone who has ever left a comment, I do thank you. Whether it was a compliment or a critique, I try to reply to every single one of those because it isn't just about the content, it's about building that community, building that learning. And this channel gave me a way to keep teaching after leaving the traditional classroom. And the fact that it's now starting to inspire others, young and old, to explore development, that means everything to me. And to my family, thank you so much for supporting me, letting me stay up those late nights, editing those videos, recording those takes, being quiet in the house, and chasing the dream. We're just getting started. There's much more coming, more tutorials, more breakdowns, more real-world coding help, utilizing AI. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, join the journey. And again, thank you so much. 1,000 subscribers might not seem like a big deal or a big number to some, but to me, it's a reminder that every person matters, and that is what makes this mission worth it. So let's keep building together. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.